Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's time for a summer fruit challenge hosted by Ellie from DIY from House to Home. I'll have links to her channel and the playlist in the description box. I really enjoy lemons, so I have 3 lemon DIYs for you today. For the first DIY, I have these poppies from Joann Fabric, 2 eucalyptus swags from Dollar Tree, some Dollar Tree lemons and Amazon lemons, and then a 14-inch wire wreath form from Dollar Tree and some ribbon from Dollar Tree that I may or may not use. So to get started, I also have that floral wire to get my eucalyptus wrapped around my wreath form. So I'm going to start out by snipping off some of this wire and trying to secure my eucalyptus to this wreath form because I know that hot glue will not last long term with metal. So since this is really thin, I just want to go ahead and get both ends of this secured to the wreath form, and once I have the first piece secured, I'm just going to wrap it totally around, and then when I get to the end, I'm going to secure it the same exact way. And then for my second eucalyptus swag, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I just want this to have a bit of fullness. With both of the eucalyptus garlands added, I'm going to take my lemons and alternate them large then small and leave a space in between so I can add the poppies, and I'm going to try to glue the lemons directly on top of the leaves so I can get a really good attachment since they will not stay put on the metal. And then I had a small bit of some faux baby's breath. So I just snip it apart and I figure out where I want to add it. And I ended up gluing a piece beside each of the lemons just for a little added pop. Once I was finished adding the baby's breath, that was it. I'm really happy with the way the wreath looks. I decided not to use the ribbon. This will be hanging above my pantry and my kitchen where no one will rub up against it. It won't get any direct heat from the stove. So I think this will be fine with the hot glue, and I really like the way this turned out. Let me know, what do you think of my lemon and poppy wreath? For this DIY, I have lemon crafter square fabric. They're standard 18 by 21. A piece of wood shape from Dollar Tree. It doesn't give dimension, just says wood shape, an oval, a little white paint, some wood shapes, and Dollar Tree wood glue. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna make a riser if you haven't already guessed. And I'm gonna get my little snowman feet. Little feet. So I'm gonna get these painted white and my edge painted white. So I'm going to take my little mini iron to smooth out my fabric, and once it's all smooth, I'm going to trace out my wood shape onto my fabric, and then I have hard coat Mod Podge. I'm going to use that to adhere my fabric to my wood. I'm just going to work in small sections at a time, applying my Mod Podge, smoothing it out, and then moving my way down until the entire piece of wood is covered. So I left this to dry for several hours, and once it was stiff to the touch, I took my little snowman feet and I was trying to eyeball them, but I do end up using my ruler to make sure they're even, and I'm just going to use the Dollar Tree wood glue to get them adhered to the bottom of my oval. And here is my completed festive lemon riser. Loving the blue mixed with the yellow, the like turquoisey blue. Very fun. Let me know, what do you think of this riser? And for this DIY, I've got some scrap of a Dollar Tree placemat. I used this last year, and I added some of these fabric lemons to a pitcher and a platter, and I will link that in the description box. There's another lemon video, and I don't know what this is. Dollar Tree is calling this. I guess it's because it has this, maybe it's a ceramic square plate frame. I don't know. But I want to add some of these lemons. I think maybe this one might be the best one. Cut this out and decoupage it right on there. I think that'll be just beautiful, and it's just the right size for a tiered tray. A small area in the kitchen. I love the print of this placemat. So I'll just do my detail cut and get this all cut out and Mod Podge this down. So once I had my image completely cut out, I'm going to remove the little thin backing that was on it, and then I'm going to use the same hard code Mod Podge because I already had it pulled out, so it was right there at my fingertips. I'm just going to apply that to the front and back to get this applied. After a few hours, this was totally hardened, so I just took my detail scissors to snip off that excess piece of fabric on top, and that's all she wrote for this piece. I think this turned out so pretty. I really love these lemon images from these placemats, and this will be perfect on my tier tray. Let me know, what do you think of this? And that's all I have for you today, but here's a look back at my other 2 DIYs from this video. I really enjoy lemon decor. My kitchen is decorated in lemons. These were so much fun to make. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and don't forget we do have a playlist. I'll have a link to our host Ellie from DIY from House to Home and the playlist in the description box. Have a blessed day.